Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about a mini project in Palantir Foundry which is covering AIP logic, automation, ontology object obviously, and then workshop application. Okay, through workshop application we are going to feed and we are going to extract that via the automation and AIP logic and all things. So we're going to discuss in detail. Okay, so first thing, let's discuss about your ontology object setup. So this is my ontology object at the moment in my screen. Okay, so three properties I have taken it. So if you see, this is the ID I have chosen as a primary key, and just another two properties I have taken as extracted content and PDF. Okay, so after taking this, creating this ontology object, I will be going through just quickly with the AIP logic. So in AIP logic, what I have done is just whatever AIP ontology object we have created. So this is my input. So this will be AIP logic will be treated as a function. Okay, if you see, this one treated as a function, whatever we are going to create it over here. Okay, so now let's say this is my input PDF, this is my variable. So now we are saying extract text from PDF. So from PDF we are going to take some extract values into it. So this is my ontology object, and extracted text, it will become into the extracted text from the PDF. Okay, now after that we are going to have our extracted text we are taking as an input, just because our extracted text, it is in array. So I wanted to take into the string, right? So I wanted to join all arrays and I wanted to convert into the string data values. Okay, once that is done, we are going with the action type in AIP logic. Okay, so what it will do is, so we are going to update into the ontology. So whatever extracted PDF it was, that with whatever join array we have extracted that, and into the property or column you can say is extracted content. Okay, so this is something set up into the AIP logic. After that we are going into the automations. Okay, so in automation, basically what exactly we have done is, so here if you'll see, in automation we have put it the condition when object is added, means from workshop application whenever we are going to add any object, so it will be going to be effect as a logic PDF extract. So AIP logic, it is being executed. So whatever extraction things we have done, we are going to utilize into it. So that is about my automations. Let's now go to the workshop module. So in workshop, this is the one of the button I have created. So once I'll be clicking on this button, so in this button, after clicking, it will open an action. Through action we are going to take input as a PDF. Okay, so let it open. So okay, it won't be opening, no worries. So let's say just because I have disabled this in flight mode, so that is the reason I don't have any network in this, so that is the reason keep buffering it will be doing. Okay, so that means from after clicking on the automation button, it will take my PDF and it will take through into the AIP logic, and whatever I have said through the automations, it will be get updated into the ontology object, and then after it will be converted from PDF to text value. So this is the automation I have done. So if you wanted to learn in deep with me, so you can connect with me. I used to provide one-on-one training on the job support and interview preparation, and as well as certification will help to clear also. So this is what we are just delivering. So if you need any help, just you can contact with us in you can use my WhatsApp number. I'll be providing in description. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.